Alright fellas, welcome back again to Xfinity. This is Junaid and today I'm going to show you how you can live stream on YouTube using OBS Studio. You can use OBS Studio or Streamlabs because both are same. There is no difference between OBS and Streamlabs. The difference is only the interface. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up your OBS Studio for perfect streaming for your games or anything you want to stream, or whether you want to go live on Facebook, on YouTube, or on Twitch. I will also make a video on how to go live on Facebook with OBS Studio, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can live stream on YouTube through OBS Studio. Alright, and I'm going to show you the live stream of PUBG Mobile game loop. Alright, so first of all what you need to do is go to the Google Chrome and search OBS Studio. Alright, make sure the website is obsproject.com. Here you have three different options for Linux, for Mac OS, and for Windows. As I have Windows, so I will click on Windows, and it will redirect me to another page, and the download will start. I will not download it again because I have already downloaded it. Alright, so after downloading, what you need to do, simply let me show you. Just open the OBS Studio installer and allow the administrative permissions. After that, just click on next and install wherever you want. It is very simple. Alright, I have already installed it, so I will not install it again. Alright, so after complete installation, open the OBS Studio. After opening the OBS Studio, you will receive a pop-up here. Just cancel the pop-up. I will show you how to set everything from start to end. Let me delete everything so that we can build everything from scratch, and you can get a better understanding of how you can go live easily. Alright, just if a pop-up shows in the beginning, just close this pop-up. Right, so after that you need to go to settings, because settings are very important to get started on OBS. Settings are very important in order to stream your gameplay or anything you want to stream on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch with high bitrate or with maximum video quality. It is very important, so watch it carefully and watch it till the end. Alright, so as you can see, it has the following options here. In general, do not change anything, it is already optimized. This section is very important. Stream. First of all, you need to select the server. In this video I'm going to show you how you can go live on YouTube, so we will select YouTube RTMP, and in server you need to select primarily YouTube ingest server, and the stream key. How you can get the stream key? Let's dive into the YouTube channel. Open your browser, go to your YouTube channel, I mean to say YouTube Studio, and here you need to go to create and select go live. Alright, please make sure if you are new to YouTube, or if your channel is not older than 3 months, then you are unable to live stream on YouTube with 0 subscribers. If you have a YouTube channel for about at least 3 months older, then you may be able to live stream on YouTube. As my channel is 3 months older and my subscribers are around about 38 subscribers, you can also check this channel. As you can see, the name is Juni Butcher. I play PUBG games and they are very interesting. You can also check this channel out and make sure to subscribe my channel. All right, so the stream will be enabled on your channel if your channel is older than 3 months. All right, and they will activate your live stream option after 24 hours if you have less than uh, 10,000 subscribers. All right, here you can edit your live stream by writing your title, description, visibility, category, thumbnail, playlist, and many more options. You can also select live stream, enable live chat. Alright, so make your changes and click on save. After that, you need to copy this stream key and make sure it is not shared publicly. Alright, just copy this stream, successfully copy to clipboard, get back to the OBS Studio and paste your key here. Alright, the next thing you can see here is stream URL and backup server URL. Do not change anything. Alright, keep everything as it is. Very important option here is stream latency. If you want to be very interactive with the audience with the minimum delay, make sure you have ultra low latency. Alright, if you want to stream with the real-time audience, interact with the real-time audience. If you want to make it normal, keep it low latency. If you want your stream to be delayed, and if you want your stream to be displayed with maximum quality, you can select this option. I recommend to select this option if you are a small YouTuber. If one day, inshallah, if you become a great and big YouTuber, you can go with low latency or ultra low latency. Alright, I recommend to select normal latency because it gives the maximum quality. The delay time is around about 15 to 10 seconds. Alright, so as you can see, it is waiting for the software OBS Studio to go live. Alright, so we have set up our stream key. Next is the output. In output mode, you need to, I think your default setting would be simple. Just click on advanced, and if you have a high-end graphic card, make sure it is selected, whether it is AMD or NVIDIA. Alright, do not go with X264, it will ruin your quality of your video. Alright, make this option H.264. Rescale output, do not change it. Rate control should be CBR. Bit rate, now the bit rate is very important to display the quality of your video on your stream. Alright, if you have a very high internet speed and stable internet connection, then how much should you write bit rate here? Let us understand this. First of all, I will go to the website called as Speed Test by Ocala. You should also check this website out and test your internet speed. Let me show you what is the speed of my internet. Let's click on go and wait for the speed to be displayed. As you can see, my speed here is around about 8 to 10 megabits per second. Make sure it is megabits. Why it is 8? Because I have already many videos running on my another computer, and my uploading speed is also 10 megabits per second. So here is the result. You need to test your internet speed here. Alright, my normal internet speed is 10 megabits per second. It is showing here 8 megabits, and my uploading speed is same as download speed. Alright, so let us go to another new tab and write 70% of 10. It is 7. It means I have to multiply it by 1000. What is the result? It is 7000. It means if your internet connection speed is 10 megabits per second, you need to write 7000 here, which is 70% of your internet speed. Alright, In case if your internet speed is very stable, you can go with 70% option or 80% option. I recommend to be at 70% option. Now suppose if your internet speed is 30 megabits per second, what is the 70%? It is 21. So what you should write here, you should write 21 multiplied by 1000, it should be 21,000, just like this. Alright, now let us suppose another scenario. If your internet speed is 5 megabits per second, it is 3.5, which means you have to multiply it by 1000, which is 3500 kb per second. Alright, so what you need to do, the point here is you need to make bitrate 70% of your internet speed. Alright, I think you have got the idea. Now in keyframe interval, YouTube suggests to keep it at 2. Alright, so in preset you need to go with the quality. If you go with maximum quality, it will use your GPU and CPU and it will increase the temperature. It is not very good. If you have a very high specifications for your PC, you can go with max quality, but I recommend to keep it at quality, and profile should be high. Alright, do not select this option, make sure it is selected. Psycho visual tuning, make your GPU as 0, it will automatically use your GPU, and maximum B frame should be 2. Alright, it is for the streaming. You can also set your recording directory, audio bitrate, and replay buffer. Just ignore these. The important here is streaming. Alright, you have successfully set up your streaming process. Now in the audio, keep it at as it is, everything. And in the video, it is also very important section. What you need to do is as you can see, the display of my computer is monitor is 1920 by 1080, but should be the output of the game you are playing, which is being played on the stream, should be it depends upon the output scale. Alright, you can keep it as same as your monitor resolution. In downscale filter, you can go with the sharpened scaling 16 samples. If you I repeat again, if you have a high internet speed, you can go with maximum settings. You can go with 16 samples, and in custom FPS values, I recommend to select 60 frames per second. Alright, and we are done. Do not change these settings because these are very important. You can also set your shortcuts for stream starting, stopping, and much more. Alright, let's click on apply and click OK. So we have successfully set up our OBS Studio for live streaming. What's next? Next, we need to create scenes and sources for the scenes. Right, for suppose I have a YouTube channel on which I go live to play PUBG Mobile. Okay, so I need to create a new scene, and let me rename it as live stream starting. So this is my first scene. In this scene, what I need to do is, in this section sources, just click on plus sign and select media source. Alright, these are called the overlays. Live stream overlay, and here you can select your local file just by clicking on browse. Let me show you my YouTube files stream pack, and it is the stream starting soon. Alright, this is the overlay for my stream starting soon, and I will keep it in loop. It will keep its progress in repetition. Alright, let me show you what it looks like without any loop. just click on OK. As you can see, the MOV file is being displayed here, and I have disabled loop, so it will stop after one complete. Alright, as you can see here, let me do this loop, and once it is finished it will start over again. So this is very important for the live streamers to keep this overlay at its original position. Alright, I also need to add music, so I will again go to media source and write the name for the file and keep it also in loop, and I will browse to my music here. As you can see, the music is being played in the background along with the overlay. Alright, so this is the first scene. Let me rename it. Scene 1. Alright, now we will move to the scene 2. After stream is starting, overlay is finished, I will display my intro. What is the source of the intro? Just make sure you have your selected scenes in which you are adding your source, and click on plus sign and select media source. I will write intro here as a name, and I will not loop it because I only want my intro to be played only once. I will browse it. I will go to my stream YouTube files and click on intro. This is my intro, as you can see here, with the music. Alright, so first scene is stream starting, second scene is intro scene, and the third scene will be my game. I will start making my I will start broadcasting my game on YouTube live. So this is my third scene, keep it at the top, and I will add a source. But before adding a source, I need to keep my terminal opened for the game. Let's open game loop and hit play PUBG. Because you need to make sure that your PUBG is running in the background, so that OBS Studio can capture this window, specific window. I hope you can just understand this. So let's wait till it starts. Please make sure to watch this video till the end, because I am going to convey very important information regarding OBS live streaming. I have also made a video on how to download and install PUBG on PC, and how to configure it for a low-end PC, and how you can get 90 frames per second on PUBG Mobile. You can check this card out after watching this video. Alright fellas, so we are in the game, and we were setting our scene number 3. Alright, so in scene 3 I need to capture the recording, which is called as game recording, and you do not please don't use display capture because it will ruin your live streaming. If you want to navigate between different windows, do not add game capture because it is only for the paid games. Alright, you need to select window capture. Alright, let's write its name game PUBG, and as you can see here, different emulators or the background programs that are being running has been displayed here, and I can select game loop, turbo, AOW engine, sample and beta. Why? Because as you can see here, the name is matching. I will select this and boom, you can see my uh, display is being captured. If you want to capture your mouse, you can turn it off and on. Alright, and click on OK. After that, what you need to do is maximize your window here. Just click on this and it will fully covers your desktop, and use the shortcut Alt plus Tab to navigate between different windows. Alright, I will go into OBS Studio, and here you can see it is perfectly fit on my OBS Studio preview. Make sure it is not in black color is not being displayed, or this gray and black color is not being displayed. Alright, make it in the perfect manner. Alright, so this is the scene number 3, and if I do something in my game, it will be displayed here. As you can see here, let me show you. As you can see in the OBS Studio, it is being displayed here. Whatever I do, it will be displayed here. And if I navigate between different windows, it will not be displayed in the OBS Studio because the window is being captured. This is the advantage of window capture. Now you can understand this. Let's dive into the OBS Studio again, and let's finish our last part, which is stream is ending. I will also show you how you can start your live stream. Please watch this video till the end. Scene number 4, which will be my media source, as you can see here, and I will write its name ending. I will loop it and I will click on browse and go to my stream pack, and stream is ending soon. Alright, this is only the overlay. I also want to add a music. I will also again go to media source, click on music, write its name music and keep it in the loop. I will click on browse and I will go to download and I will select my file, and boom, music is being captured. Alright, so in the game section, make sure this is your desktop and this is my microphone. As you can see here, it is waving according to my voice. If you want to mute in your live stream, you can select this option, it will be muted. If you want to disable your in-game sound, you can select these options. Alright, so we are done with our live stream setup, and now we will go live on the YouTube. As the YouTube is waiting for our initiation, and we will start streaming, and you will see the green sign here and the bit rate you have selected. If your bitrate is low, or you want to change it again, you have to stop your stream. As I have selected 3500 KB, it is showing here 3605, almost the same. Alright, so we are on the we are live on YouTube, and let me show you the previews. After some time, I will navigate from this scene to this. Preview will be shown here, and after the intro I will switch to my game. As you can see, I have I selected normal latency, so it will be the almost I guess 10 seconds or 15-second delay will be here. And now we are in the game, and after that we will keep our scene in the sequence, and I will select scene 4. If you want to keep in your game, you can just select this option and get into your game and play your game as you want. It will be live on YouTube. So this is awesome. If you want to switch between these scenes, you can switch easily, and if you want to hide something, you can also hide. So this is very super simple. I have explained you step by step how to live stream on YouTube, how to set up your you know, everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you have any problem, please comment down below. I will try my best to solve it. Thank you so much. I will stop my stream now, and I will also end my stream because it was only for the demo purpose. So hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching.